Hi everybody, welcome to the new school year. We are the first grade team. We are very happy to meet you all and we are looking forward to a very successful first grade year. I am Mrs. Newland, this is my 9th year teaching at Gudith, and my favorite things to do are to pet my beautiful cat Reggie and to take my son Callum on walks.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Richter and I have been at Gudith for 12 years. My favorite things to do are travel and play tennis and read by the pool.
Hi, I'm Miss Tashler. This is my 12th year also at Gudith, and my favorite things to do are gardening and playing with my crazy dog, Rocco.
I am Mr. Duchesne. I am the math and reading interventionist for first grade. I have been teaching in the Woodhaven district for 22 years. My favorite things are hunting, fishing, pretty much anything outdoors.
Now that you've met the whole team, we would like to go over some of the important aspects of first grade. The first being our safety protocols for the year. They are identical to what we had last year. The students must continue to wear masks per the health department, but we don't want any of you to worry. The students will have lots of times where they can have mask breaks outside, so please don't think that your student's going to be in their mask all day long. We have provided a access code with this a QR code for quick access so that you can do the daily screener. Our reading series is Journeys, and we use that with our whole group class. However, we also focus heavily on something called Daily 5, which is a guided reading model. So while we're working with small groups of students, the other students are doing meaningful literacy activities. Math Expressions is our whole group first grade math curriculum, and this focuses on students being able to explain their math reasoning, their problem solving skills. And our science program is in line with the Next Generation Science Standards, and our social studies program is aligned with the Michigan Content Standards. While you're not going to see homework every single night, students will bring home unfinished work or special projects that we're working on in the classroom or special assignments. Please make sure you're checking the blue take-home folder to see when those things do come home. And just some extra things, students will have snack each day. This is our Class Dojo for communication, but most importantly is that blue take-home folder. Please look at it every night, see if there's anything that needs to be completed, and make sure the folder comes back to school each and every day. If at any time you wanted to pause this video and read the slides, please feel free to do so, but we will also be sending a link out just to the PowerPoint presentation through Class Dojo so that you can read it whenever you need or for any type of refresher. We look forward to a great school year, and we'll see you next week.